Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful wreath for your fall decoration. So let's just start with it. All you will need is this plastic thing that I bought those sheets at Michael's. They were 50 cents each, and my wreath form is 8 inches. So I outline, and also you'll need 3 different colors of mesh. Mine is from Michael's as well. I was so happy when I had the coupon for 40% off, and they had them on sale last year. So one row of each is enough. So what I did, I used the zip ties to secure them in 3 locations by those wires. And then the zip ties are from the Dollar Tree, the cheapest one. Yeah, I had some issue with one. It just sometimes, when you put it together, it's just the wrong way. So you have to turn around. So make sure it zips it up and not moving. So this is what I did. I secure my little middle portion, cut excess off that plastic thing and my little wires. So now I have a glass frame. This is from regular picture frame that where I measured and put 10 inches. So our pieces would be 10-inch long, and I am showing you that I'm using a hot tool to cut them like on 10 pieces. Well, not 10 pieces, 10 inches. You can use the scissors. The only problem with the scissors, they could shred, like the pieces, on the sides gonna come out. But if you use the hot tool, it's kind of secure them and they don't become all those fuzzy ones. So, but it does take a little while to use the hot tool, and be careful, it is hot. So now we fold it like a little envelope and grab it, hold it together, then get a zip tie and attach it to the top row of our wreath form. So I did it all like that with a black one. Black one was for the top layer at the top. You can, maneuver your colors the way you want it. I thought it would be cool because, a lot of you guys told me that you don't celebrate the Halloween. I still have kiddos, and we kind of a little bit, but not so much with the situation that's going on. So this one, I'll show you at the end different styles, how you can make it a Halloween looking if you're into Halloween, or you can make it a fall one, this is what I went for. I went for the fall looking one. And so, if you're curious, for the first row, I made 12 of those petals. Now I am moving along to the second row, which is going to be my orange looking mesh. And what I did, I attached it to this plastic white thing and the bottom, like the row of the wreath, which is the metal ring. So this is how I secure my leaves. And as you can see, the difference between the first, the second, and the third row, I'll show you the third row. The first one, I only did a couple of black leaves with my hot tool, and then I went for the scissors. And as you could tell, some of the pieces are coming out, which is I really was not happy. So for my third row, I went back to my hot tool and used that to cut my 10-inch pieces of burlap. And now for the second row, we needed 10 petals. Now, see what I am telling you what I did? I went back and to cut my purple burlap mash, whatever you call it. I guess it's like I really like this. This is a lot better than a Dollar Tree, but yes, if you buy it, the whole row, not on sale, is like $9. But when you get the 40% off, and it's on sale for whatever reason, the colors are going off out of style or whatever, then you can score some good deals. I paid like, I think $3 per like of those bulky rows. I was really happy. Anyway, so my last row, I only did 5 petals, and I used the hot tool to cut them. And I just again, for everything we're using the zip ties, and I just kind of layer them on top of each other, straighten them out, make sure that's all like sitting together, and not I'm not symmetrical, but I at least trying so they look just fine without, some on one side, because when I'm filming from the camera angle, it's showing that it looks good, and then I'm taking them off and it's like, oh Lord, I have to redo it because one petal on top of another or something like that. But this seems to work out pretty cool. I straighten the petals out again, make sure I don't need to fit another one because sometimes you might need it. And now I have two of these flowers. I know it's kind of darkish and Halloweenish looking, but I thought it would make a great dimension if we put it right in the middle and attach some of the faux leaves behind. So I kind of like the purple one, but the purple one was falling apart, and I just went with the black one. So I used the hot glue, take off all the accessories that were attached in the back of this not flowers, and attached it right to the middle. Hold it a little bit so it's just fine. And then I went for some berries. You don't have to. Again, I'll show you at the end. One was the berries, one without, one was the leaves, one without. So you could, change it and just create the way you like it. It's all up to your imagination at this point. When you get the base done, the decoration is the funnest part for me. So I went for the leftovers berries that I have from my fall flowers, and I just attached just a tad, just a little bit of a hot glue so it stays, and there you go. This one was the berries and the leaves in the middle. Now we took off the leaves and the berries still there, and now you see just a plain one. And that is all for today, guys. If you like it, smash that like button and give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to click subscribe. And I will see you all in my next video real soon. Bye for now.